Are you totally confused by all of the options in order to put some SEO into your website, or what are some tools that you can use on your website for SEO? I'm here to help you out here today. There are a lot of options out there. I'm going to cut through all of them and give you two right off the bat. So if you are unfamiliar with my channel, I am Tom Batman Ziegelbauer, and I help businesses and entrepreneurs grow through the use of technology. So let's just get after it. There are two main tools, especially if you are using WordPress, that I would suggest to you. And if you're not using WordPress, I would suggest using that as well. So the first one being Yoast SEO. Why I believe that is the number one tool that you should use is, one, it's free. Two, it has a bunch of paid or freemium types of plugins that you can add onto it. For instance, if you are looking to do, say, local SEO, it has a great tie-in to that. So it's the de facto one. There's over 5+ million active installations of Yoast. They've been around forever. The second one that I would suggest maybe in second place would be All-in-One SEO. And you can find those on the WordPress marketplace and install those on to your system. Not as well put together, I think, or intuitive as Yoast is, and definitely some of the add-ons for Yoast makes it definitely number one. So hopefully that helps you out. If there are some other plugins or some other SEO tools that you use on your particular website that you prefer, hit me up in the comments down below, and I'd love to hear what your impressions are of those are as well. If you did receive value from today's video, definitely hit those three buttons down at the bottom, like, subscribe, and alert, so you are alerted to additional content from my channel. And always remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.